Welcome to the Realm of Day, everyone. We're going to be making an easy crock pot meal here in the realm of food, and we're going to make some delicious pork neck bones. These came out perfect, but let's go ahead and get started. Make sure you have your crock pot. Make sure you also thoroughly wash your pork neck bones. Now, you can pre-boil them if you want, or you can brown the sides if you want. But if you want a quick and easy to go, just start out with some fresh pork neck bones. Now, of course, you're going to need your crock pot. Make sure you get some water or whatever you need to cover the neck bones. Next, we're going to be using some of this spice here. Now, what I like to use is the Tony's Spice and Herb Creole seasoning. We're going to use this Brazilian steakhouse seasoning. This has like a South American taste. You can actually put this on anything: pork, seafood, chicken, whatever your preference. We're going to try this today on it and see if we can get a good flavor out of the neck bones. Now, next we're going to be using a little garlic salt, not a lot. Now, this Kinder's is actually tasty. I've tried it in my last few recipes and this is good. Next, we have the garlic and herb Kinder's as well. Love it. Now, we're going to have some classic olive oil. You don't need a lot, I promise. We're going to use this Lipton onion soup mix, and another one we're going to use is the onion mushroom. We're going to be putting these in at 2 separate times, so keep watching. We are going to be using 1 whole bell pepper and 1 whole onion. We're going to slice them up with a good sharp knife, and they should look like this here. Get cooking. Dump them in the pot and stir it up. I like to put mine on the bottom because I'm going to be putting the neck bones right on top. Let's get seasoning. I love the heavy seasoning. If you don't, I don't know what you're doing. Let's get cooking. All right, enough talking. Let's go ahead and season up these bad boys. While you're writing, go ahead and like this video, comment below, and subscribe. Stay along to the end because these came out perfect. We're all done seasoning. Cover your crock pot, cut it on high, and after about 3 hours, they should look like this. They're not done all the way. If it has a little scuff at the top, just scoop it out and give it a stir. But this is smelling delicious already. This is at about 5 to 6 hours. It depends on how many neck bones you're using, but they smell delicious. They came out perfect. The pork necks turned out perfect. They are melting in my mouth. They're delicious, fall off the bone. Make sure you like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.